friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hello my little friends, how are you all? I hope you all are good and you are having a great week. Thank you for joining us today here. Here we are today having a really exciting topic, as we always do some exciting drawings. Today's topic, toys collection drawing. So we are going to draw some of our favorite toys which we all grew up playing with, or we may even are now also growing up. So are you all excited? I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So let's make a start. Kids, we all grew up with a favorite toy. Maybe it was an adorable doll or an action-packed action figure or a special stuffed someone to snuggle with. It seems like as long as we are the children, there have been toys. That's one constant and universal fact of childhood. There's something always a little magical about something as simple as a toy. And now, here are some fun facts coming your way about these magical toys. Fact number 1. What would you say if I asked you what you think that the world's oldest toy is? You're right, it's the spinning top. Believe it or not, the oldest top ever found was dated back to 6,000 years ago and 6,000 years old, and there was a wooden top found in King Tut's tomb. The beauty of these toys in their simplicity. The earliest toy, and what about the earliest toys? The earliest toys are made from materials found in nature such as rocks, sticks and clay. Thousands of years ago, Egyptian children played with the dolls that had wings and movable limbs, which were made from stone, pottery and wood. So that was the oldest toy and the earliest toy. Fact number 2. Lego was crowned the greatest toy of all time, with all but a few voters putting it in the number 1 spot. Iconic board game Monopoly came second, with Action Man in 3rd, slot car racing game in 4th, and football toy in 5th. And if you think who invented Lego, which is the greatest toy of all time? Ole Christiansen. The name Lego is an abbreviation of 2 Danish words. Leg got, meaning play well. It's our name and it's our ideal. The Lego Group was founded in 1932 by Ole Christiansen. The company has passed from father to son and is now owned by Kjeld Christiansen, a grandchild of the founder. Fact number 3. The beloved board game Candyland was invented by Eleanor Abbott while she was recovering from polio in a San Diego hospital. She created the game to help distract the children in the polio ward. Candyland was an instant classic and continues to sell at a rate of 1 million copies a year. Fact number 4. Play-Doh. Play-Doh was invented to clean soot off wallpaper. Antique restorers still use it for this purpose. it wasn't until 1954 that anyone considered using it as a toy. The best-selling toy of all time. Have you ever thought what is the best-selling toy of all time? Yes, that's Rubik's Cube. More than 350 million of the colorful cubes have been sold since they were introduced in 1980. Now the last one, fact number 5. There is a National Toy Hall of Fame in Rochester, New York. Enshrined alongside such iconic playthings as Lincoln's Logs and Raggedy Ann dolls sits in a humble cardboard box. According to the museum, inside a big cardboard box, a child is transported to a world of his or her own, one where anything is possible. The cardboard box was inducted in 2005, proving that sometimes a little imagination is the best toy of all time. So my cute angels, we hope you really enjoyed today's interesting facts and already enjoying this drawing also on our favorite toy collection drawing. Now that you have learned a little bit more about toys, I'm sure now when you are going to play with these toys, you will definitely get nostalgic and recall these facts. So, till we meet next week with an exciting drawing, watch Fun Drawing with Piyali. Fantastic drawing. Thank you my little friends for joining in today, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.